Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this very wearable gold shimmery pink eye look using my favorite eyeshadow palette, the Too Faced Born This Way. I have so many videos using that palette. It's the palette that really started my channel. So I will have everything linked below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll just jump right into the tutorial. Using the Too Faced Born This Way palette, I'm going to take a color pop. This is an E16. I'm going to go with the shade Maple. This is my favorite shade in the entire palette. I love this shade. It's a very unique, warm, just perfect shade. Perfect maple brown. I'm going to take this cardboard right here, and I'm going to blend out the outer half of my eyelid. Just like that. I take a fluffy Ariel A11 brush, Petal, which is the baby pink, that cardboard piece back up here, and I'm gonna blend it out with Petal. Creating this nice, dark, soft outer V area. Just like, except I think I took off some of my foundation here, but that's okay. So something like that is what you will have. Just gonna fix it up a little here. Here's where the fun part starts. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna take the shade Rose Gold. It's a beautiful pink shimmer shade in the palette. I'm gonna tap that right here. You could go in with this shade Wet, but I'm just gonna go in with it Dry. It's a nice metallic shade. And I'm just gonna pop that right there on the center. Just like that. Adding some pink shimmer to the look. Just gonna go with a little bit more. Finger, I'm gonna go with the shade Golden Light, which is a beautiful true gold shade. Golden Light, and I'm gonna put that in my inner half of my eyelid here. Isn't that stunning? So I'm gonna drag that into the center here. Gonna go back in with Rose Gold and put that on top. So it's this pretty pink, rose gold, gold, matte brown look. Back in with my ColourPop E16 and the shade Maple, which is that beautiful brown shade. I'm going to go over that part one more time, so it's nice and dark. Just like that. Love it. It looks like a little sunset, doesn't it? That shade Maple on that brush, and I'm going to drag that into my outer lower V. Smaller brush, this is a ColourPop E21. I'm going to go in with that gold shade, and I'm going to put that underneath here, my bottom lash line. Blending it out. Actually, I'm gonna go with my finger. I think my finger is gonna work better because it's more oily color. Oh my goodness, so much better. Look at that. And then I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold and pop that right in the center down there. Stunning. Like a small highlighting brush. This is a Morphe GH38, and I'm gonna go in with the highlight, their Rare Beauty highlighter in the Morphe GH38. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take that shade Petal, that matte baby pink shade, and I'm gonna put that right. Oh yes, that totally changes this look. I'm just gonna pop that in right in the crease. See how that just like adds exactly what we need. That's why you trust the process. You know, if your look's not looking like the way you want it to, you can always fix it. So, okay, so I add some pink and some more into that crease, but I really want that pink shimmer, the rose gold, to really shine through. So take a small brush like this. This is a JH41, and I'm just gonna take, this is a primer water, something to get it wet, like a setting spray. I'm gonna dip it into rose gold. This is gonna give me that blinding pink that I want right in the center. There we go. This is such a wearable, super stunning, wearable pink shimmer. Touch of glistening snow is that white shade down here. I'm just gonna have a touch of it on my finger, and I'm just gonna pack that on. Like a little topper. Nude eyeliner. This is the LA Girl Super Bright Nude Eyeliner. Apply this to my waterline. Apply some of the Maybelline, the Falsies mascara. And then I'm going to apply some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Alright guys, that completes this look of a very wearable pink gold shimmery eye look using my favorite palette ever, Too Faced Born This Way. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.